really liked the formal learning from Cambridge Spark, and I really liked just the projects. And I think the apprenticeship team behind the scenes kind of kept everything humming along, and they did regular check-ins with us as well to make sure we were progressing. This was just a really good way that was structured, and it's kind of work-based projects. You can develop real skills, and rather than it just being like learning in lectures, actually get to apply it and kind of negotiate with your colleagues, work with other teams, and then have something like real at the end of it. It was like a great opportunity to do that in data. The best thing is that you kind of undertake it as a group, and you got to hear external speakers, Cambridge Spark and others, kind of speak about real data projects. So that was very encouraging and inspiring. So I think that combination just really keeps you motivated, gives you a point of contact for help, and just also lets you work with other people.